Alafu
riri mambura ma thigũkũ ya Christmas marathie na mbere kunyita thing'a. President William Ruto na First Lady Rachel Ruto manyitanĩire na mĩciĩ 54 ya ciana iria itarĩ aciari kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu kuria marĩanĩire na ciana icio na arũgamĩrĩri a mĩciĩ ĩyo. President arima macio ni atugiritie wira wa ureri uria ukoragwo ciande-ini cia aciari na areri.
I tell all parents in Kenya, the job as you look after your children and the children of our society, our community and nation is a noble responsibility as government, what the parents are doing. So that our nation can have a future.
Tusichoke tukitenda mema. Do not be weary. In doing good, because in due time you will get your reward if you do not give up. Kwa hivyo najua wakati mwingine pengine mambo sio rahisi, nataka kuwatia moyo kusema kwamba msife moyo, maana Mungu ataendelea.
President oho ni atugiritie andu aria marugamagirira mĩciĩ ĩyo ya ciana iria itarĩ aciari ciana icio ingĩũrũraga mĩkĩra-inĩ ya barabara na mataũni-inĩ.
I must thank all the men and women with a big heart to be able to look after of other people, children that would otherwise be orphans. You have given them a home,